Wilfred? 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 Errol, I call you on the phone. Errol, I call you on the phone. Hello? Errol? Errol? Me not hear nobody. Errol? Errol? Hello? Hello? Oh! True, me not so understand the phone them nowadays, you know. Yes, them there sit down and read the paper, me I tell you. Me get to understand so they had the paper. Yes, the news, you know, on the phone, but true, me not so understand the phone and all these things. Me this have to discontinue buy the paper and read the paper because me love read the paper. Yes, I'll do so much things in the paper nowadays. Why I can hardly manage, but me still have to read the paper. Yes. So what you say, no, Errol? Errol? Me not hear Errol. Hold on there. Oh, if phone is mute, me not hear nothing. Yes, Errol, yes. So what you say now, my son? Oh, you calling to remind me about Father's Day? Yes, make I tell you something, you know, my son. Make I tell you. All and all they care about is Mother's Day. It's like say a mother alone born and raise the picking them. They no care nothing about Father's Day. It's like they no remember say the Bible say the man is the head of the home. And without the man, the picking them couldn't they young. And all them do is cater for Mother's Day. It's like them not care about Father's Day. Yes. Yes, Errol, yes. Errol, me know so na good picnic. Me know na good picnic. So you go come for Father's Day. But Errol, make I tell you something. To how me see who no go on over Mother's Day for no mother we there. Me nah go can manage them the sort of something there. Me holy and numb. Me can't leave yard. You go come drive me out in your big car. Yes. You go buy the van gimme when me did want all these years. Yes, but true me did have to look after when I said no go to school. Me couldn't buy the van. So you are go buy one van for me. Yes. Me Wilfred, me Wilfred, you are go buy van for? Then after me can drive there now me can hardly see there. My name Nasi good out of this glasses here. It's soon ready for change. Me not feel worry. No, me not worry, Wilfred. Wilfred? Oh, Errol, me not worry, Errol. Me Wilfred now worry. My days of worrying over when me used to have to work so hard for send go to school. At them the time that me used to worry. All and all me do now is sit down and read the paper. And when me ready, me go to go fatten me eye in a garden. I don't have a thing to worry about. If Miracle no want cook, I fear business. Yes. All in all, me do me hitch and catch, go to a shop, go buy something. Cause me always have money. Yes, out of the money there we will send all the while. Me not talk one little something put on. Because if Miracle ever know say me had the money they put on, she take it and give to our church people them. Our beggy church people them. Yes. Not to mention some big sin thing where she take up and can go in a church. Say, yes. Yes, they have all sort of sin thing at church to take away money nowadays, you know, Herald. Herald, me say every minute when I know rally, a broken up, all sort of something they have a church where they have big mothers, they splash at church. Everything to take away money. And as she see what money put on in her house, she said she have to carry her church. And me no want them say me nah give to God, you know. And I no like say God a come here come spend no money. Then to Ginal. Them is Ginal. After God nah come here come spend no money. And when they want to rob people, then tell you about this harvest at church, And when she cut the big bunch of banana when me have in a garden and can go to church talk about a harvest. Yes. Well, back to the story there where me and you talk about the van, Herald. Yes. You get a driver for me, to drive me. That when me go fi pick up the pension money down at town. Yes. Yes. And if me want go look for me friend them, yes. Me we got the van to drive round. Why, Herald? Either we whole days, yeah. I tell you. Why? But picking make me can tell you something, you know, boy. When me the young and a pen pound, you know, you know, never miss a day from school. I don't know, ever look good, you know, ever have everything. Yes, yes. You remember? You remember, Herald? Yes. So, Herald, how your friend Natty? Not rock, stone, goat. Herald, Natty did lose one hand foot. First thing to me, Baba, me never hear. Then how you make that miss you fi tell me, Herald? I remember when Natty used to come a yard. Yes, Natty was a good boy. Then you couldn't tell me. He slip you, then after you're not so hold to that for things I slip your Herald. Herald, mine are different things pack up by your brain, you know. Yes, yes. Hey. Miracle. Miracle. Miracle, I beg you pass a drink of water there for me, you know, Miracle. It look like Miracle must see your mama must see out the door a water garden. Yes. Because me I call her to pass a drink of water for me. I mean, not hear nothing now. So she must see out the door a water garden. Yes, because she not got nothing to do. Want to sit down chat to our church people them and water the garden. Nothing. Yes. So all right then, Errol. Yes, Errol. All right. Take care then, you know. Take care. Yes. All right. Take care, my son. Take care, my son. My big son. Yes, my big son. All right. I must be about 2 weeks away from our Father's Day. Bye. You have it on your mind early though. Nevertheless. See you in 2 weeks. Hey. See you in 2 weeks, Errol. Yes. Hey. I'm looking forward for it. Yes. Yes, it's good. Yeah, man, I'm looking forward for it. Thank you, my son. Thank you. Bye. All right. Please to like, subscribe, and share, and tune in for the Father's Day celebration when Errol will come and look for me. Okay? Me, Wilfred. Okay. Thank you.